How to view replies on thread. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily view replies on the threads, Meta's newest platform. Whether you're following conversations or joining in yourself, you'll know exactly how to stay up to date on all the replies. Let's get this started. First things first, open the Threads app, or you can go to the website and go to threads.net. You need to log into your account. Now, if you're already logged in, great. Let's move on to the next step. Now, scroll through your feed and find a thread with replies. Threads are similar to Twitter posts when people share thoughts and other replies. When you see a thread you're interested in, you look for the reply count underneath. Tap on the reply icon, that's the bubble right under the post. This will open up the reply sections where you can see all the comments or replies people have made to that thread. Once you tap on the reply icon, you'll be able to scroll through all the messages and responses to the original post. And that's it. That's how you simply view replies on the Threads app. It's a simple process to dive into conversations and follow along with what others are saying.